Brad Williams, XL Prime. Calculating the volume of a rectangular prism. Volume is equal to length times width times height. Length times width times height. We want to calculate all the stuff inside here. Length times width times height gives us the volume. You can calculate the volume of a rectangular prism by multiplying the length, width, and height measurement using Excel's multiplication operator. This formula determines the volume of a rectangular prism given the length. F9, we're just calculating. Think of this as an aquarium. You're trying to figure out what's the volume. You're going to get a volume. You need to know whatever it is you're trying to measure here. Is it meters or is it inches? Is it centimeters? Is it millimeters? Is it feet? That's a quick overview of some simple math. Brad Williams, XL Prime.